Hello everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the garden of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about, making the most of a small garden space. If you've ever felt limited by a tiny backyard, a balcony, or even just a small patio, then this video is for you. We're going to unlock the secrets to creating stunning small space garden landscapes. So what exactly do we mean by small space garden landscaping? Simply put, it's the art and science of designing and arranging plants and decor in a limited area to create a beautiful, functional, and inviting outdoor retreat. It's about maximizing every square inch, using clever techniques and smart plant choices to give the illusion of a much larger, more expansive garden. This isn't just about putting a few potted plants on a balcony. It's about thoughtful planning, creative solutions, and understanding how to make a compact area feel open, lush, and perfectly designed. Whether you have a tiny urban patio, a narrow side yard, or just a small corner, small space landscaping transforms constraints into opportunities for charm and serenity. Now, why bother with small space garden landscaping? The benefits are surprisingly numerous. Firstly, it's incredibly manageable. A smaller garden means less time spent on upkeep like weeding, watering, and pruning, leaving you more time to actually enjoy your green oasis. Secondly, it's often more budget-friendly. You'll need fewer plants and less hardscaping material, which can significantly cut down on costs. Thirdly, small gardens are perfect for experimentation. You can try out different plant combinations, decor styles, and layouts without a huge commitment, making it easier to discover what truly works for you. And finally, a well-designed small garden can add significant aesthetic appeal and even increase the value of your home, proving that good things really do come in small packages. It provides a peaceful escape, a burst of nature, and a personal touch that can turn any small outdoor area into a delightful extension of your living space. Ready to make your small garden shine? Here's how to decorate it beautifully. Start by thinking vertically. Walls, fences, and railings are your best friends. Install vertical planters, hanging baskets, or trellises for climbing plants. This draws the eye upwards, making the space feel taller and more expansive. Use multifunctional furniture, like benches with built-in storage, to save space and add utility. Mirrors can also work wonders, reflecting light and creating the illusion of depth. Choose a cohesive color palette for your plants and decor to create a sense of harmony and avoid clutter. Don't forget ambient lighting, such as string lights or solar lanterns, to create a magical atmosphere in the evenings. And finally, add a focal point. It could be a small water feature, a unique sculpture, or even a strikingly beautiful potted plant. To draw attention and give your garden personality, selecting the right plants is crucial for small spaces. You want plants that are compact, have multiple seasons of interest, or can be trained to grow vertically. Think about dwarf varieties of shrubs and trees. For example, a dwarf Japanese maple or a columnar conifer can provide structure without overwhelming the space. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and mint thrive in pots and offer both beauty and culinary benefits. For color, consider continuous bloomers like impatiens, petunias, or calibrachoa in hanging baskets or window boxes. Climbing plants like clematis, jasmine, or small varieties of roses are excellent for covering walls or trellises, adding lushness without taking up valuable floor space. Succulents and cacti are fantastic for their low maintenance and sculptural forms, perfect for sunny spots. Don't shy away from vertical vegetables like bush beans or cherry tomatoes in hanging planters. The key is to choose plants that fit the scale of your garden and provide interest throughout the year. And there you have it. Small space garden landscaping is all about creativity, smart choices, and a little bit of imagination. You don't need a sprawling estate to create a beautiful, tranquil, and impactful outdoor area. With these tips, you can transform any compact space into your very own garden paradise. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiration and gardening guides. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. What are your favorite small space gardening tips? Share them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Happy gardening!